DJ Delz, you know I love you.
Funko Pop Addicts! It's your boy Delz. We've got the Angus Young Chase, and we have the common right here. I did a detailed review on the common, but now we found the Chase in the wild. What a great feeling. What a great feeling when you find a Chase in the wild. It is just like, man, the thrill. It's just, I love it. These right here, I love them both. I'm going to give you a detailed look. Please, right now, bang that thumbs up button because we're going to take it out of the box. Let me give you a look at the back of the box real quickly. One thing really unique about this Chase is that they actually even have the artwork different. So you see, no horns, horns. And the hat, of course. So they really went out of their way when it comes to the Chases. Usually they don't do that. Like, for example, see the image right there? Image right there. It's not the same as the Chase. It's like that with all the other Chases I'm showing you. So cool that they did that. There's a look at him out of the box. Looks absolutely awesome with the horns coming out of the hat. You've got the big A right there. You can see the differences between the two. Wearing black on the common, and you see he's got navy with the Chase. Of course, the horns, the A. Guitar is the same. I would say this is really an awesome Chase to land. I was so happy to find this. Really made my day because I really wanted this one. There is a side profile. There's a look at the opposite sides. And there's a look at their backs. Just getting up close. Let me know your favorite ACDC songs in the comment box below. I love Hell's Bells, Highway to Hell, Back in Black. That riff in Back in Black is so classic. Love that damn riff. I mean, this man just could kill it on that guitar with them riffs. They're so catchy. That was one thing with ACDC. A lot of anthems. You know, that's what I always loved and still love about ACDC. Shook Me All Night Long, class. I mean, they got so many. Who made who? Let me know in the comment box below your favorite ACDC songs. If you want to do your top 3, top 5, leave it. Also is an FYE exclusive. I'm pretty sure he's wearing a red outfit. It's like the same thing, except he's wearing red, if I'm not mistaken. If I'm wrong, correct me. Definitely, I would appreciate that in the comments. I will link these pops in the description box below. 1 in 6 chances you can get the Chase. So, I mean, you could also try your luck and buy 6 of them. I have done that in the past with other Funko Pops. I've done it with a Finn Balor Funko. I kept trying to find the Chase. I had so much trouble trying to find it that I just ordered 10 of them. And I did a video and I actually was able to get more than one Chase. I will try to put a pop-up when I get a chance somewhere on the screen, or just search DJ DELZ Finn Balor. I'm sure that video will pop up. I also did that with the Little Shop of Horrors, the Audrey 2. I wanted the Chase so badly, I just could not find it anywhere, so I ordered 10 of them, and I got more than one Chase. And you can check out that video too. Just search DJ Delz, DELZ, or The Delz Show, Audrey 2 Chase. And these will be linked in the description box along with a bunch of other Funko Pop I think you're going to want to lock in. So definitely look in the description box. I'll have tons of Funko that definitely you probably are going to want to lock in. So check that out. And if you didn't hit that thumbs up, please hit that thumbs up. It goes a long way. It helps the channel so much. And if you're just watching, you're not even a fan of ACDC, but you love the channel, just write in the comments so I know you watched. I love Funko. It means the world to me. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. Much love. And I'll catch you guys hopefully tomorrow with a new video. We out.